Good day to all of you. We are here to share information about
The basic parts of a circle.
and how to solve the area of sector.
Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the fans.
mathematics.
For our objectives, first is to identify the basic parts of a circle. Second, define radius, diameter, chord, tangent, and secant. Third, find the radius when the diameter is given. Fourth, use the formula for the area of a sector. And last, solve the area of a sector using the given radius and angle.
Before we proceed on solving the area of sector, let us first know what is the basic parts of a circle. Here we have is a circle, and we have a special guest to help us name the basic parts of a circle. Can you guess who she is? Hola, soy Dora. That's right. Our special guest is none other than Dora itself. Dora will also help us in naming the parts of a circle. Moving on. But first, what is a circle? A circle is a round two-dimensional shape where every point on the edge is equidistant from a fixed center point. It has no corners and edges. In geometry, circle can be used in various ways. For example, finding the area of sector and segment of a circle. Now that we know what a circle is, let's go back on naming the parts with our guest. Anyways, can you guess what Dora is pointing? Correct! It's the center point. And did you know that you can name a circle by its center point? Therefore, this circle here is circle T. Moving on. Can you name what Dora is pointing? Correct! It's the radius. A radius is a special line that connects from the point to any point on the circle. And when its segment passes through the center, it is now called a diameter. A special segment that passes through the center, dividing the circle into two equal parts. Remember, the measurement of circle is 360 degrees. How about this? Can you name this segment? Correct! It is the chord. A chord is a line that connects from this point on the circle. Let's see the difference between a chord and the radius. A radius is connected to the center point, while the chord is connected to any parts on the circle without passing the center point. Moving on. Can you guess what this line is? Correct! A tangent. A tangent is a line that touches a curve or a circle at exactly one point without crossing it. The point is called the point of tangency. How about this? Can you guess what line this is? Correct! A secant line. A secant is a line that intersects a circle at 2 points. It passes through the circle, unlike a tangent, which only touches it at 1 point. Now that you know the basic parts of a circle, let us proceed on solving the area of sector.
To solve the area of sector, we use the formula. Area of sector equals pi r squared times n over 360 degrees, where n is the given degree measure of the sector. Since the formula requires the radius and only the diameter given, we multiply the diameter by 1/2 to find the radius. After finding the radius, we can now solve for the area of sector using the formula. Area of sector equals pi r squared times n over 360 degrees. Since the given degree is 45, we substitute it into the formula as 45 degree over 360 degrees. So, our final substitution is area of sector equals pi 5 squared times 45 degree over 360 degree. Then, divide the 45 degree by 360 degree. It is 0.125. Next, get the product of pi and the squared radius. Finally, multiply it all. Therefore, the area of the sector is 15.625.